Hey guys, welcome back. So I just submitted my exam that was for GSPANN software solutions as a post of software training. So I just finished my exam, and in that exam, this coding question was asked. So I thought that I should share with you guys. So this is the question basically. Here you can read that Mr. X's birthday is in next month, and this time he is planning to invite n of his friends. Now he wants to distribute some chocolates to all of his friends at a party. He went to a shop to buy a packet of chocolates, and at chocolate shop, each packet is having different number of chocolates. He wants to buy such a packet which contains some number of chocolates which can be distributed equally among all the friends. And now your task is to help Mr. X to buy such a packet. So if we check the input output format, if I check the input output sample input output here, you can see that the first number, that is 2, this is basically the number of test cases. Okay, and in the next line there is 5 and 14. 5 is basically the number of friends, and 14 is the number of chocolates that you want to distribute among 5 friends. In the next line, the number of friends is 3, and you have to distribute 21 chocolates. Okay, so if you want to distribute 14 chocolates among 5 friends equally, is it possible? Obviously no. So your task is to check that and print yes or no accordingly. If you want to distribute 21 chocolates with among 3 friends, that is possible, so you have to print yes. Accordingly you have to solve this problem. Now let's move to our code editor and let's start coding. So basically we have to first take the uh, test case number. Suppose that is n, and that should be an integer value. So I'm taking input from user. Now for I in range of n, I will take 2 inputs, basically the number of friends and the number of chocolates. And the main thing in this question is where it goes. Wait a second. If you see here that the input that you should take, that is suppose 5 and 14. 5 is the number of friends and 14 is the number of chocolates. You have to take this input in a single line. Basically you have to take multiple inputs in a single line. Okay, so how can we do that? Basically, so to take multiple inputs, to take 2 inputs and store them in variable, we have to take 2 separate variables, suppose a and b, a comma b. Okay, now I can take multiple inputs in a single line using this method. So I'll map integer comma input, and I will use dot split function. Okay, now I have taken 2 inputs in a single line. Fine. Now I am storing this 2 inputs in a dictionary format as a key value pair. So dict of a equals to b. So for that I have to define a dictionary first. This is a blank dictionary. Okay, and I'm saying that store these inputs in key value pair in this dictionary. Okay, now if I print that dictionary, let's see what happens. Okay, so suppose I'm giving in as 2, and I have 5 friends and I want to distribute 14 chocolates. Okay, I have 3 friends and I want to distribute 21 chocolates. Okay, so this is the dictionary, this is the dict variable, right? So 5 friends, 14 chocolates, 3 friends, 21 chocolates. Now this is not my ultimate goal. My ultimate goal is if I can distribute equally among them or not. Okay, for that we have to use a for loop. So for I in dict, we will iterate over this dictionary, and we will check if dict of I modulo I equals 0. That means if the value of a particular key is divisible by this key value, then only you can distribute equally with among your friends. So I will say yes. Otherwise print no. That's it. So basically what it's doing is you will iterating over this dictionary, and suppose you are checking this condition like dict of I. Suppose you are taking the first key of this dictionary, that is 5, and you are checking this condition, that is dict of I modulo I. So dict of I is basically means dict of 5, and dict of 5 is equals to 14. So 14's modulo 5 equals to 0. Is it true or false? It's not true, it's false. Then it will skip this block, it will come to this part, and it will print no. For the second test case, it will check the same thing, like dict of 3 equals to 21. So 21 is divisible, completely divisible by 3. That's why it will go through. It will go to this block, and it will print yes. So that's it. So let's try with a sample test case. So 2, 5 friends, 14 chocolates. 3 friends, 21 chocolates. You see here that it printed no for the first case, it printed yes for the second case. If we consider our second sample, that is, okay, so something I missed here to capture the whole part of this. Okay, 6, 12, 7, 25, let's check. So I want 3 test cases. So first one is 6, 12, 7, 25, and suppose there are 4 friends and you want to distribute 13 chocolates. Okay, so here you are getting the expected output. 12 chocolates can be distributed among 6 friends equally, but 25 within 7 friends or 13 among 4 friends is not possible equally. So that's why it printed no. So I hope you guys understood this, and you can build your own logic to solve this kind of problem. So this problem was not was not of so difficult level. It was medium. So thank you guys for watching this, and like this video, share with your friends who need this help, and keep coding. Thank you.